Jahnavi,
Sir.
what is the third chapter in 7th class maths?
Data handling, sir.
Okay. I will ask some definitions. Do you tell me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Define the data.
A data is a collection of numbers gathered to give some information.
Define the range.
The difference between the highest and the lowest values of data is called range of the data.
Okay, very good. Define the mean or average.
The sum of observations of data is divided by number of observations of data is called mean or average. Mean is equal to sum of observations by number of observations.
Very good. Next, define the mode.
The observations which occurs most frequently in the given data is called mode of data.
Define the median.
The middlemost value of data when the observations are arranged in either ascending order or descending order is called median.
Very good, Nana.